Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a relationship among multiple tables in Power BI. So let's start with video. So first we have to open Power BI. So within search box, I will type Power BI. So it is showing me Power BI desktop tool available on my device. So just double click on it, it will get open. Friends, if you have not installed Power BI on your device, please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Power BI. Okay. Now once you open this Power BI, here you will get option to create report. So just click on this blank report. Okay. Now this our Power BI is opened and we want to establish a relationship between different tables. So we need to import tables. For that purpose, I will select this option get data, and from here we have to select our Excel XLS file. Now friends, here already I have created data set. I will show you. It is created in Excel file. I have taken one Excel file named as dataset.xls. Within that, I have created three different sheets. First one is the department details. Within that, I have given department ID and department name. Again, employee address. Here I have given employee ID and work location. And within employee details, I have given employee ID, employee name, department ID, and salary of employee in the form of thousands. Okay. When I import this XLS file, at that time, each sheet becomes a different table within Power BI. Okay. So I will import this file in Power BI. For that purpose, I will select Get Data, Excel Workbook. Now friends, here if you are not getting this Excel Workbook option directly, you can go through this More option and just type EXCEL Excel. You will get this option Excel Workbook. Just click on this, just select it and click on this Connect option. Now select your required data set. So I will select my file, XLS file. Now within this XLS file, I have created three different sheets: department details, employee address, and employee details. So all the three sheets I want to use as the tables. So I have selected all the three sheets and click on this load button. Now friends, once data is imported, within this data option, you will get three different tables, that is a department detail, employee address, and employee details. Now I want to establish a relationship between tables. So first we'll see the model view. Now these are our three different tables. Okay. If you click on this department details, after that click on this manage relationship. Now see, once I have inserted table, it is automatically showing the relationship available between these tables. So just I will delete this and I will create it by my own. So just I will delete. Okay. Now see, here only you have different data sets or tables, and I want to establish relationship between these tables. So first I will select the table department details. Again, manage relationship. Can select new relationship. I want to establish relationship between the department details and employee details. Now see, automatically it is showing the relationship you can establish is a one to many. So just click on save button and close. Now see, it is showing one-to-many relationship between department details and employee details. Now I want to establish relationship between this employee address and employee details. So again I will select manage relationships option, new relationship. First table I want to take is employee address. Another table employee details, and relationship available in between these two tables is one to one. It is automatically giving. So just you have to select on save option and close. Now see, it is showing relationship between available between employee address and employee details. Now we'll see this in the form of report views, and report I want in the form of table. Again, this table containing department ID, department name, employee ID, work location, employee ID and department ID already covered. So employee name, and I want salary, summation of salary. I want to apply filter for department ID whose department ID is less than suppose 4, or you can select condition as per your choice. I want department ID is less than 4. In this I will click on apply filters. Okay. Now see, here it is showing department IDs whose IDs are less than 4, and it is showing summation of salary in thousands here. So as per your choice, you can apply filters here. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.